Grandma, can I clean this cupboard? It looks dirty.
Sure, Vicky. Thank you so much. Actually, I have been thinking about cleaning that cupboard since yesterday, but then I felt really hurt in my back. So I decided to just rest in the bed for the whole day and did nothing. What an old, lazy woman.
No, Grandma, you are not lazy. You were not feeling well. That is normal. Let me help you. You don't have to worry about that.
Oh, my sweet girl, thank you.
Where is the towel, Grandma? Is it in the toilet?
No, if I remember correctly, it's in the kitchen.
Oh, you are right. There is a pink towel on the dining table in the kitchen.
We need to remove everything out of the cupboard first. I have not cleaned it for a long time. It must be very filthy inside.
Yeah, I can see the dust flying out. Wow, you have so many interesting things. Can I look at them?
Yeah, why not? Most of this stuff belongs to your grandpa. Since he passed away, I did not touch them anymore.
Why, Grandma?
They remind me of my beloved husband. It just made me feel sad.
Oh, what is that?
An old photo album. That one is mine. Oh, look at it. That's so adorable.
How old is it?
50 years, I think, or maybe more.
Wow, it's an antique.
I am sure it is.
The picture looks so nice. I still see them very clearly.
Yes, my dad was a photojournalist back then. He took most of the pictures here and used a phototransmitter to transmit them.
What is a phototransmitter?
Here it is in this picture. Is it the same as a printer in the modern life?
Wow, wonderful. Where is it now?
My dad really loved this machine. He said that he was the only photographer in the town who owned the transmitter. Unfortunately, he had cancer. He had to sell the machine to get money to cure the illness.
Oh no, poor him. Why he's in this picture, Grandma?
Yes, this picture was taken when he was really weak. And this was my mom. She always stayed side by side to take care of him. And this was me when I was 8 years old.
Oh, look, this were you. Did you graduate from high school when you took this picture?
Yes, I graduated from London High School. That was a very important event in my life. Thank God that I could pass the test. My family was soon bankrupted after my dad's death. My mom did not have enough money for me to pay the school fee.
So, how did you deal with it?
I worked at a restaurant after school until midnight every day, and then in the morning I had to wake up very early to walk to school. I did not think I studied very well on those days, but finally I did it.
Poor you, Grandma. I really admire your spirit. What about this picture? Who is this beautiful woman?
That was my best friend Ivy. She celebrated with a small birthday party for me. I felt very touched because that was my first birthday party ever, and also the last one.
I don't want to remember that day. What happened? Why are you almost crying?
Because Ivy moved out of London after the party. She said her boyfriend wanted her to go away with him. Since then, I have never heard anything about her. I lost my best friend.
Why are they all sad stories? Is there anything fun here?
Fun? Let me check. Oh, this one. This were my wedding day. That's were the happiest day of my life. I and your grandpa just got married 3 months after we first met. He spent all of his savings to buy me my favorite wedding dress. It was white and pink. I still keep it in my bedroom.
There were not many people at your wedding, but everyone looked happy for you.
Yes, we just invited some of our best friends to come over. I told him that we did not need to so many people who we did not even know. And we did not receive any wedding gifts either. The party was small and simple.
You were standing on the boat. Where was this place, Grandma?
After the wedding, we went on a honeymoon. On this boat, we drank red wine, danced, and gazed at a shooting star. That was a very memorable night.
I guess this was my mom then. She was so cute on that dress.
Yes, that was your mom, our first daughter. I made her that dress on my own. I was a tailor at that time, and your grandpa was working at a factory. The words were terrible. We had to move from one place to another within a few months. I felt tired but very joyful because I had my family with me.
Grandma, you know what I am bringing you today?
No, what is that?
I have new classes for you. You told me that you could not read the book with the old classic, so I brought a new one for you. I hope you like it.
Oh, I love it, Vicky. And I love you too.
I love you, Grandma.